Wow. So Bear Grylls!
Yeah, they don't make it easy, you know, they could have given you a ladder. But you hate ladders, right?
It would have been a long ladder.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, here is Bear. We're going to take some photos in a couple of minutes. We're going to reconvene in that marquee there, and you will get to meet Bear. You'll ask him some questions, and you'll see some of Escape from Hell as well. So as soon as you've taken, take your time taking photos of Bear, why not? But as soon as you've done that, please make your way through to that marquee just there. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, please give it up one more time for Bear Grylls.